Everyone, this is Tim from Your Sex Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to prevent messages going to your iPhone. This is because you have iMessages turned on. Maybe you got like an Android phone or something like that, and you're still getting messages here. Go to Settings. Scroll on down till we get to Messages. And it should be right here. Then locate iMessages on the top right here. And then just select it right there and turn this off. iMessages uses wireless data to send messages between Apple devices. This is because you still have a Wi-Fi connection right here. You have it connected to your Wi-Fi. Even though you don't have data, you're still getting iMessages to your phone. So you can just simply turn it off right there. And you may see like your email address and your phone number still listed too. So just turn it off and you should be good to go. All your new messages should be going to your Android phone now. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on Your Sex Tech.